create a working paper, first you have to create your blocks, which we have already mentioned before. When you create your blocks, you create a rough draft of all the solutions that you have for the topic and the debate that has been mentioned. Make sure to create solutions that adhere to the country policies of the bloc members and listen to all the bloc members. There need not be a certain format, as your chairs will guide you through it. The only thing to keep in mind is coming up with sustainable solutions that are realistic in nature.
To turn your working paper into a resolution, you have to adhere to a certain format that we will include in your study guide/teacher's handbook. But mostly, you have to adhere to formal language. Start with the preambulatory clauses that are regarding the affirmations and the objectives of your committee. Then come up with the operative clauses that are constructive in nature. Here, you will include the solutions that you have come up with in the working paper, but format them into the template of the resolution.